Hey y'all, canning cherry tomatoes today. That's what I'm doing. That one wouldn't fit. They're in here boiling away. 7 quarts. That's what I'm doing today. Yeah. And then I'll have to put this one by itself, boil it by itself. It's gonna be fun. I need to try to keep it. Don't you suck down now? You're not. What did that? Oh, I don't know. Trying to can itself, but it's still got to be water bath. Anyway, that's the last one, and I got like almost 30 more minutes. 45 minutes for a quart. Okay, I'll just tell you how to do it. Alright, this pot is my pressure canner, but I used it to blanch my tomatoes. Now, you don't want to be fishing around with some little tool trying to get those little tomatoes out. So, here in my sink, I put them in the basket and lowered it in there, and then I could pick it up and I could lay it over here on my towel, which I already refolded it because it does get a little stain, but we wash this after we're all done with our canning. But okay, so after you blanch them, now just blanch them a little at a time, fill a couple of jars at a time, because you're going to blanch them boiling water for 1 minute and then get them out of there. And you need to sterilize your jars in water, which you can use the same canner to sterilize them in. Use the same water to can them in. So sterilize that. And I simmer my lids. And okay, so you know the basic. Okay, then you okay, the next step is 1 teaspoon. I used what did I use? Oh, I used pink Himalayan salt and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then after you get it all, and then use your debubbler. This one's not quite full, but the other ones are pretty full. And you don't add no water, no nothing. It makes its own juice. Try to pack them kind of tight and leave an inch space. And then put them in your canner for 45 minutes. Y'all basically know how to do it. So anyway, we'll see what they look like when they come out. Are we taking a nap on the floor? Buddy? Ian? Hi, Sienna. You in Daddy's room?
Of being paid back. Enterprises that are in trouble include the sales, transportation, and manufacturing industries. Now to Central Europe. That's where the Parliament of Slovakia passed a legal amendment last week. The action declares the Communist Party of Czechoslovakia and its branch in Slovakia